Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Rabadi. Take a kadai to boil milk. Add little water so that the milk does not stick to the bottom. I have taken half liter milk. You have to use full cream milk to make Rabadi. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and saffron. Boil the milk and take out the cream formed on top and stick it on the edges. Keep on stirring the milk so that it does not stick to the bottom. You have to continuously remove the cream as soon as it is formed and stick it on edges till the half liter milk reduces to 1/8 quantity. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add sugar based on how much sweet you want the rabdi to be. Adding little more saffron and almond cut in pieces. Boil it for a few more minutes and you can see it has reduced to almost 1/8 quantity. Take out the milk into a container. Now scrape all the cream attached to the edges like shown. And add it into the saffron milk. Mix well. Refrigerate it for 1 hour and rabdi is ready to be served. I'm adding few more almonds on top. Tasty rabdi is ready. If you liked my video, do subscribe to watch similar videos. Till next video, bye bye.